Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'm in a brand new 2024 Tesla Model 3. I'm not too used to this car. No steering wheel stalks. Wow, so smooth over the bumps. Wow. I need my steering wheel stalks. I'm not used to this. Kind of firm handling. It's a beautiful car. Just want to give a big thank you to everybody at Tesla and Manhasset. Thank you, Tia. I appreciate everything. You know, I'm really not used to this without the steering wheel stalks. She said that I would get used to it, but I have to do a little video overdub because I didn't like what I said when I was driving, and I have to be very careful. Oh, almost blew this stop sign. Wow. I stopped. I keep reaching for a steering wheel stalk. Wow. Okay, I'm used to the buttons now. Such a beautiful car. It's going to take time for me to get used to driving without steering wheel stalks. Wow. The acceleration. I'm used to driving in chill mode. On to part 2.